This is Porantoroy. We're entering Porantoroy in Switzerland. Ayan o. Switzerland. Ayan o. Porantoroy. And we're going to that castle, ate. Ayan o.
You see the castle already?
Yeah, there's the picture.
Where's the castle?
Oh.
Just the castle, the picture. Castle of Porantoroy. We're going there. Come and join us. We're almost here by the castle Porantoroy. 1 kilometer standing. Yeah, maybe this is the castle. Yeah?
Yep.
Look, this is the castle Porantoroy.
Look,
Oh, ate, yan ang ganda, oh.
Wow, we should park here and do the rest by foot.
We go, but still, we can go by you can go actually by car going up because you need to go up. So that's why it's 1 kilometer. Look, that's the castle that we saw. So we're on the way to the castle Porantoroy. Another
excited?
castle for Ate Emily.
For Emily, also for us, we've never been here.
But this time we bought Emily a castle. That's the castle. Look. Another castle.
Kaya pala po.
1, 2, 3.